2161.
2161.
That's 10-4. Is the complainant still on the line, or does he have any further? I'm trying to walk up this long driveway to the house now.
That's negative. The complainant disconnected.
10-4. $21.61. Can you try to get the complainant back on the line, please?
10-4. 2161.
Go ahead.
I got on the line back with the caller. He advised that the woman was in the pool, and he is coming to let y'all in the gate now.
That's 10-4. I'm at the house now.
10-4.
15 to 61. Go around to the right. You can access the pool there.
10-9.
Go around up here to the right side of the house. You can access the pool over there.
10-4. Hey, is this that?
Holy crap, I'll at least catch up with you.
Is this that lady that was out here a while back that said she was pregnant with this baby, or she had a baby and said it was his or something?
I think so.
I heard a story about that.
I don't know, but they're going to give us a ride back in that neon green thing.
Yes, they are.
Have you seen the pool here?
I have not.
You're ready to be freaking amazed. Although that used to be a baseball field.
Jeez. This was Xander's house first.
Yeah. All right, so the pool's down here. She's actually in the pool.
Apparently.
There's a pool area. There's an indoor pool too.
That's a huge pool. 2161.
Stairs right there. Do you like a car door? In case she runs back out.
2161.
2161.
All right, you 1022. I'm out with them. It's like an Olympic-sized pool. Hey, what's going on?
I'm here to perform.
You arrest her, man.
All right, hold on one second. What's going on?
Hey, she got to go.
Okay.
You take her in the front?
I was at the gate, and I came to perform for a photo shoot.
Okay.
And this guy.
Put your body back.
Okay.
Here's her purse.
All right.
Okay.
Here, hold on.
You're trespassing, man.
I'm not trespassing. I'm here
Right now
for
you're
a
being
photo
detained for
shoot.
trespassing.
I'm not trespassing, sir. I'm a model. My name is Aaliyah.
He
and
don't
this
want to
guy,
hear?
No, he don't even know her.
Okay.
I know him personally.
Okay. All right, well, apparently you don't
I
know
know Rick Ross.
These guys. Okay, well.
And
Everybody
this
knows
guy
Rick.
put his hands on me. Okay. And I'm here.
Do you live here?
Yes, sir, I do.
Oh, he doesn't.
Okay. Where's your shoes
Sir,
at?
I do live here. I took them up because he kept putting
Where's your
his hands-
shoes at?
My shoes
On
are
the field
up
over there as she was running.
Okay.
You didn't see the big gate up there?
I'm a model. My name is Aaliyah.
No, I understand that.
And this guy.
Did he tell you can come on the property?
He didn't say anything. He was on the phone with Rick Ross. And he told him to record me. Because I came to perform. I'm a model.
Well, they disagree with that.
Were you at the car?
Yeah.
What happened with the car?
She came up to the front talking about.
Did she came up to you to the car?
They disagree with that.
Yeah.
He has evidence, sir.
Hey, did she come up to the car while you were in there? Or?
No, she was walking through it. I was like, who is this?
She was actually on the property when you
Yeah,
seen
she
her?
was walking to the property.
I'm not lying to you guys.
Okay. All right. How'd she get onto the property?
She ran.
Like, how did she get on?
First-
The gates.
First, she got through the gate.
Rick Ross told
put on
him
the
to
stairs
record
over here.
him.
And I
Okay.
was going to get the dog.
Okay.
And when I got the dog, she ran through.
Okay.
And then the second time,
They're right here on the stairs. Hold me back.
1622.
go this way?
Yeah, I'm just trying to get her to sit down while we figure out.
No, we trying to get out. They trying to do something.
That's fine.
Shoot.
Well, what we're going to need to do is sit her down and go get a patrol car.
And bring her up here.
Drive it
Yeah.
up, rather than walking her all the way down the
Because
driveway.
Rick Ross told him to
No,
record
stop.
me.
Stop.
Okay. I'm not lying to you guys. That's all I'm saying.
ID in here?
Yes, sir, it is.
Where's it at?
I'll
tell
get
me,
it.
that's fine.
I'll go through my own purse.
Ma'am, you're handcuffed.
Come on up here for me.
This is really...
You want me to just go to my car and then we'll put her in my car?
Yeah, we're gonna sit her down up here.
That's fine.
And we'll go get one of our vehicles. And then.
Can we put it on this side on the
Yeah, we'll do whatever, wherever y'all want.
Miss Brisbane, you still stay in Duluth?
No, sir, that is old address. I do not live there. Rick Ross told him to record me.
Okay, so you live here, right?
Yes, I
What's your
do.
address? Here.
This is 794, 794, Evander Hollow Field.
cars in the front, right?
Yeah, they're by the...
Yeah, we can't get in the gate. We had to walk up here.
Holyfield.
He can probably give you a ride on that thing, maybe.
Yes, sir.
Hey, boss man, sir, we able to take this or one of them green cars or something? No? We got to walk?
Yeah.
All right, that's...
It's on me. And I was walking.
What's a walker then? If you got to walk, what's a walker?
Yeah, she ran up here. She got good exercise. She can walk.
Because I'm a model. You would not let me in the gate.
Did at any point did y'all tell her she's not allowed on the property?
No, he did not say that. Rick Ross. I'm sorry.
Lieutenant from Whitewater.
This is private property. You can't. If you enter, it's trespassing.
Okay. And then she came in anyway?
Okay, hold on. This is the owner right here.
Hello, this is Deputy Warney with the Fayette County Sheriff's Office. Good, sir. Okay. Like, what time was that, roughly? Like, how long ago? Okay. Yeah, no, I got you. I understand. Okay. All right, no problem. Hang on, I'm going to hand you back to you.
Right, we ran her away from that gate down there.
Okay.
Right, now she came back with somebody else
I got an Uber.
in the car,
Okay.
and then we asked her to leave again.
What time was it this morning?
9:30, she was at the south gate.
You want to go and walk her? I'll get information for you.
Married to Rick Ross, da-da-da-da-da. But all we want is her off the property. We don't want no problems with her.
Right.
She lucky he didn't put the dog on her. Because when I was going out the gate to the gas station just a little while ago and the gate opened, she ran inside.
Yeah.
He had to run and go catch her and bring her and pull her back out the gate.
Right.
And then that's when he contacted y'all.
Where's your shoes at?
Have you spoke to Rick Ross?
Go get her when she.
My shoes, I was running from
when she
this
first
side
came
because
in.
he put his hands on me.
Okay. Well, Rick Ross don't want you here, okay? So this is why we are where we are right now,
Is
okay?
he here? Because he knows me personally.
Okay.
Skinny had left. When I took her outside of the gate, we were standing by.
They're not tight, man. They're
Yes, they
extremely
are.
loose.
They're hurting me.
Loose.
He is in big trouble because he knows I was here to model. And he was harassing me. Rick Ross knows me.
So we ain't gonna press no charges on her or nothing like that. We just don't want to come around.
He's on the phone with Rick, and Rick said to arrest her.
Oh, okay.
So, yeah, what I'll do is I'll hop on, and I'll let him go get his vehicle, and then I'll hold her right up here and then I'll let him drive up here and get it. I'm good.
198 Orange Road, 198 Orange Road.
Can I get on there?
Hey, warning.
Caller is
I'm going to keep walking. You get your vehicle and meet us. And jump on here.
He is now walking.
Hang on. No, not with you.
If I could know that.
We're going to get you a patrol car.
Take out the road.
You want to get on? No, I'm good. You good? I'm gonna ride the officer to the gate.
Stand for it.
And I have nothing on my feet.
Stand for it.
Can you not drag me, please?
I'm not dragging you. We're just walking. Walking at your pace.
Oh my God! And see, look at the golden horses. You guys, why you had to do this? It was a nice day.
It was a nice
Got
day.
to get photo shoot, take good pictures. And that guy, he didn't want me to be cute. He didn't want me to be great.
Well, I think Rick would have granted you access if he knew you.
I'm his wife. He knows me. Okay, this is where I stay.
If you were his wife, I'm pretty sure he wouldn't be doing this to you.
Trust me, he didn't do this. That guy was stopping me. That guy did this. Rick Ross did not do this.
Okay, well, if you were his
Rick
wife...
Ross got me an Uber to my house. Got me here.
Well, if you were his wife, then I'm sure that security guard would not have a job after today.
Oh, he's not. Watch.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, please don't pull me. Just let me walk sexy.
I'm not pouring.
Let me walk sexy, please.
49830.
Oh my God! That is.
No, that's all I'm going to say. It's not Rick.
That is Rick Ross.
Now, you got a bunch of people to work here.
That is my husband.
All right, let's stop right here. Come over to this side.
Y'all need to go talk to Rick Ross.
We just talked to him.
No, you did not. Y'all need to go talk to him. Where we going? Up the hill.
Take a seat.
Talk to Rick Ross.
Hey.
Ow!
Yeah, going backwards. Okay. Hey, Warnie, come over here and get you. You over there. I'm gonna send this buckle across.
Y'all need to go talk to him because y'all not about to just take me out of here because I'm in here modeling. That's not how it works.
All right, sit back. I got it.
If you would, man, would you just fill me out a quick statement saying what you told her before she got on the property, like what happened? That way we can take her, because y'all want to file charges or no?
Yeah, hell yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I do.
All right.
You need to call Rick Ross.
Watch your head.
Why? You want to go to jail if you do this?
So he gives y'all company authority whether or not y'all want to go ahead and file charges for like criminal trespass?
Well, no. Well, let me call him.
All right, yeah.
Come open the door and call Rick Ross now, because you're going to go to jail if you take me.
Ma'am, just hang on.
No, you need to call Rick Ross because this is illegal for you to take a model out of Rick Ross' house.
Hold, listen to me. He's making a phone call now. All right, let us figure it out
This
before
is
we go
illegal.
anywhere. It's not even.
Yes, it is.
What's up?
Now they're not sure if they even have legal, if they even have the authority. They're not even sure if they have the authority to want to prosecute. So he's making a phone call now to see if that's what they want to do.
Did they just talked to Rick, right?
That's
Because the other guy just said that he didn't want to prosecute. My question is, did they tell her to leave?
He said he did.
Then she's trespassing. They can fight that in court.
Okay.
Because they told her to leave this morning at 9:30.
Right, and that's what his boss told me too. I'm sure the same guy you spoke to.
Excuse me, sir. You can't just take me out of here because I'm in here modeling. That's not how it works. I'm a model. Open the door. You taking a model out of Rick Ross' house. You need to open the door and let me out. Open the door. This is illegal. You're going to go to jail.
All right, that's all right. You're wanted anyways.
First of all, I'm not wanted.
Hey, it's that weird one again. It's that failure to appear for fingerprints.
They ain't gonna.
Yeah, they ain't gonna take her.
I mean, we're gonna take her for the criminal trust. She was told not to. She trespassed.
Yep.
Well, I mean, Rick's. I guess he said he's gonna be here in just a minute.
I'm gonna have him fill this statement out there for me. Thank you, sir.
Video shoot? With the video shoot?
You're going to jail if you leave with me. You're going to...
Miss Precious, what's your address?
This is where I stay. This is where I live. And you need to call Rick Ross.
That owner?
No.
Okay.
He's with the video shoot.
Okay. We're up here at Rick Ross. He had another lady claiming to be his wife jumping over the fence and stuff. He jumped in the swimming pool. Yeah. Well, now they're saying they don't want to press charges. So I told Warnie, I said, well, they called us here. They told her to leave. She didn't leave. She jumped the fence and jumped in the pool. She's going to jail. They can deal with that in court. Rick Ross is about to be here. Rick's the one that said arrest her. Well, the security guard through Rick through the security guard. He's about to be here, so we're waiting on him to get here. Just for a quicker response, I know obviously y'all don't want to tell us gate code. Is there a way that we can get in? I saw you pressing the button there.
Oh, she keeps telling me I'm going to jail if I don't let her out. So he does not want her here, and he's giving y'all authorization as far as like criminal trespass and stuff like that?
Yeah, you can
okay.
Criminal trespassing around the intent to prosecute with it.
Yeah, well, it's just criminal trespass because she unlawfully entered the property. Because he said that he told her that she can't be here.
Yeah.
And then she actually, after he said that she couldn't be here, then she just, that's when she started running.
Right there.
Yes.
Y'all do want to prosecute?
No.
Y'all don't want to prosecute?
Just take off the property.
So he doesn't want to prosecute, he just wants her off the property.
Okay, so the problem is that we can make her walk up there, she can walk right back. At the end of the day, most we can do is get her a ride, but she's going to be right back.
Yeah. All right, so if y'all aren't going to prosecute, I really don't need that.
No, well, I'll go ahead and do it then. Because
okay.
I don't want her coming back. She
okay.
She keeps this is her fourth time, third time today.
Yeah.
Okay.
And all that's going to happen is we take her. As far as we can take her right here to the county line.
Right,
she got an Uber here this time.
Yep.
Yeah.
She didn't come here. She walked here.
Oh, did she? Well, I guess she said she got an Uber here. Well,
Someone
said that she got dropped off in a car.
Twice. No.
Was that earlier?
Earlier.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then this time she was just walking?
Yeah, this time she was walking. I don't know how she walked this time. I feel like that.
This is not how you treat Rick Ross' wife. This is illegal action. You're taking a model out of a beautiful, nice home. And I'm pregnant with his children. You're going to jail. I'm pregnant. You know I'm pregnant with Rick Rick Ross kids, and you know I'm Rick Ross' wife, and this is illegal. You're going to go to jail for trying to take Rick Ross' wife to jail. You're going to go to jail. Somebody help me! Sir, you need to let me out of this car. Because if you don't let me out of this car...
We're less than 5 minutes away and I'll let you out.
Car, Rick Ross. Excuse me? Excuse me?
We're less than 5 minutes away and I'll let you out.
Everybody knows me. Everybody knows I'm Rick Ross' wife. I'm Rick Ross' wife. Who are you? You're not a policeman. This is not what policemen do. And I'm Rick Ross' wife.
This isn't court. All I'm doing is just reading you the warrants that I have, okay? I'm not asking you if you're guilty or innocent. I'm just reading you what I have, and then I'm going to ask you if you understand. It's just a yes or no, okay? All right, first one is for the criminal trespass, okay? Because they told you they didn't want you on the property, but you trespassed on there anyways, okay? Second one is for the possession of marijuana that you had in your purse, okay? That's what you're being charged with. So possession of marijuana less than an ounce and criminal trespass. Do you understand what your charges are?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Thank you, ma'am.